Fast little Bernie too. Woo. Mighty Mouse.
Thank you for coming by. And they have white suits on, hoods, and everything. That's why we put the positive from the relay supply. Yeah, they're not insulated.
See, it don't connect with the rest.
It does. They just got it. They got it sectioned off. That's an F market car. He's got the dual poles. That's an F market car.
So they said it's not enough to run service, and they don't have enough extra outside.
With red, white, and blue paint jobs. That's all when that overhaul was done.
So when they went from the traction orange to the real white blue,
Yep. Yeah.
Wait for another trolley to come down the line.
Yep.
And then watch the pink one come out.
Yeah. So when they came out of, it's called the GOH, General Overhaul. When they came out of the shop, they were all
There it comes.
white with the side red and blue.
Oh, there's the cream cheese.
Yeah, they used to have a lot of red and blue on it, but except they didn't want to pay for indigo white paint, so they just have that stripe at the top. And that's it.
oh yeah, on the top.
Yeah. Well, they did. They modified it first, so it wasn't the whole below the rail. It was just about 6 inches of it, and then they bailed on that and the stripe on the top.
I don't think that's
There you
big.
go.
I think
Yeah. Well, that was. I don't know how many came out with that charcoal around the window.
Only one.
Yeah.
2730 something, I think.
The only one right here, 2730.
There you go. As I said, it was 2730 something. I couldn't remember the number.
No,
Yep.
That's a detail. That's definitely
I think they look better than that.
right.
The charcoal around the windows.
Didn't they do it with the buses, the black around the windows?
That's gray. It was a dark gray.
Yeah.
The buses all did it, but only had one trolley.
Yeah.
There's a couple of LRVs that had it too.
MP54s with them on the old PRR line.
I gotta look for those.
The reach and rail, and they had bullets.
I seen those.
Had the charcoal around it,
I seen pictures of those.
and I think some Stratford cars. Oh yeah.